Hello and hi, welcome to technofilesUp.com. Today we are going to take a quick look at how to hack a local area network. Here we are using two different softwares, Kane Enable and Network Miner. Uh, Before proceeding, be sure to change your MAC ID and IP address so that no one can recognize you in particular local network. So let's proceed with Kane Enable. Run as administrator. Kane is a good software that has different tools to analyze your local network and sniff your local network and crack the passwords. Uh, Basically, today we are concerned only with sniffer. Uh, Before starting, you have to configure the adapter which you want to use. So select a particular adapter and select whether you should use promiscuous mode or not, whether to start sniffer on startup or APR on startup of Kane. Okay, this is fine with me. I'm using this particular adapter. Select that and click OK. Now what you have to do is start sniffer, and you have to scan the MAC addresses of local networks to know which all hosts are there in the local network, and to start sniffing from where and destination, etc. So scan MAC addresses of the local network. As I know the range of my local network, it becomes easy and it saves my time. So just enter the range of your network. It scans the entire local network and finds the list of hosts in your local network. Okay, and now let's see what all there. These are five different hosts that are available. You can go in detail analysis of each host by resolving host name. uh, yes sir, you can try things, but see, this host name is home. Someone have gave host name as home. Okay, anyways, we are not bothered about that now. APR poisoning. As I said, ARP protocol is the protocol that is used to know where the packet is destined for. Here, NIC binds the MAC address and IP address and broadcasts it on the networks to API ARP protocol so that it knows this is a particular host that is intended to receive that packet. So what we do is we'll poison different IP addresses and MAC addresses of the NIC so that you can receive the packets intended for other hosts as well. So now we have to add to and fro points where you have to poison the network. Here basically there are two columns, left and right. Here it means that you have to poison a particular network between to and fro of two different points. So left side you should give a gateway and right side you should give the host. So I want to uh, poison different hosts, so I'm selecting five different hosts. Now what happens is that from gateway to the host is poisoned, but this will start only when you start APR. Here is the icon for that. Now if you turn on this APR, it starts poisoning. And remember, when you add more number of hosts or entire hosts in the network, it becomes a DOS attack. And some networks where NMSs are perfect, then your ISP personnel can identify that you are poisoning and call you. So what I said is to change MAC address and IP address so that he can't identify you in the network. Okay, now packets are being sent and received are shown here. Basically it poisons to and fro also. uh, that means 172.16.21 my gateway and 26.102 is poisoned in the both ways. uh, Now you can see 5 packets are being sent and 4 packets are being received, and this is the status. uh, Meanwhile, if you get any passwords that are stored in passwords tab here, see there are 32 passwords, different passwords stored here. It shows the username as well as password. uh, you can start network miner also to analyze the packets. Run as the administrator, yes, and wait for it. You have to select a socket, that means NIC, and start sniffing, start analyzing, sorry. Okay, here you can see the username and the passwords. Basically you have to wait and run this for a long time, so whenever the host tries to log in different websites, it will capture the username and password. uh, Network miner is advanced packet analyzer. It can capture credentials, cookies, etc. also, and it can even capture messages of uh, your communicators or messengers. It can capture even session hijacking, cookie stealing are different concepts. It captures messages, images, and messages and files, etc. Okay, basically this is the procedure and way you use to crack or sniff the passwords in your particular local network. Thanks for watching. Be careful. Bye. Have a nice day.